I want you to envision your mind as a powerful circuit switch. The moment you truly believe in something, you begin to embody that belief, radiating it through every fiber of your being. Imagine waking up from a coma with no memory of your past. If you were told you were once a military commando, wouldn't you carry yourself with a sense of strength and purpose? Conversely, if you were told you were a piano instructor, your demeanor would be entirely different. This illustrates a crucial point. The beliefs we hold about ourselves shape our reality.
Success in life hinges on having a solid belief system about who you are. You must genuinely believe that you are unique, that you are exceptional in your field. If you convince yourself that you are one of the best actors in the world, your entire demeanor will change. Your expressions will be more genuine, your voice more convincing, and your presence more impactful. Our brains function like circuits, and when we introduce the right wiring, we can target our goals with precision.
Doubts and internal conflicts are part of every journey, even for the most successful individuals. However, the difference lies in how they confront these negative thoughts. They don't dwell on them. Instead, they counteract them with positive actions and a steadfast belief in their own abilities.
The truly great individuals think and see the world differently. They approach their endeavors with a unique perspective. I need you to reflect on your mindset when your effort goes down. The next time you find yourself giving less than your best, ask yourself what thoughts are occupying your mind. Are you focused on the opportunity or the obligation? If you can master this, you can achieve any level of success you desire.
Every single day, focus on the opportunities before you. Don't view your tasks as obligations or burdens. Wake up each morning with the mindset, I'm alive, and today is my opportunity. If you want to achieve what you've never achieved before, you must change your mentality. Understand that effort increases when you see every task as a golden opportunity, not as a chore. Embrace the fact that you have the chance of a lifetime, and let that excite and drive you.
When you shift your focus from obligation to opportunity, your entire outlook changes. You begin to see possibilities where others see problems. You find solutions where others find excuses. This mental shift is the cornerstone of all great achievements. It's about recognizing that every challenge is a chance to grow. Every setback is a setup for a comeback.
Now let's take this a step further. Success is not just about having opportunities. It's about being ready for them when they come. Preparation is key. You must constantly refine your skills, expand your knowledge, and build your resilience. When opportunity knocks, you must be ready to seize it with both hands. The world is full of talented individuals, but it's the prepared ones who succeed.
Surround yourself with positivity. Your environment plays a significant role in shaping your mindset. Seek out those who uplift and inspire you, who challenge you to be your best self. Avoid those who drain your energy and sow seeds of doubt. Remember, you become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose wisely.
In conclusion, believe in your uniqueness and your potential. See every day as a gift, every task as an opportunity, and every challenge as a stepping stone to greatness. With these principles, you will not just dream of success, you will achieve it. The power is within you. Unlock it and let it shine.